Hi, good day.
Hello, ma'am. Good day.
Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Mylene Villanueva Sereno, 34 years old. I am married with a one child, 13 years of age, girl. My educational attainment is college level. Course, Bachelor of Science Guidance in Counseling. I have two brothers and two sisters. I am the youngest of the family.
Okay, do you have overseas experience?
Yes, ma'am, I have. I have two experience in Kuwait. First one is from 2014 to 2016 to a married couple with 6 kids, aged 18, 15, 14 girls, 13, 12, and 7 years old boys. My job duties is to sending the child and the school all around cleaning, washing, ironing, and marketing. My second experience is also from Kuwait, from 2017 to 2019, with a married couple and 4 children. My job duties is cleaning, cooking, and marketing.
Okay, did you finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Could you say some words in Cantonese or Putonghua?
No, ma'am.
Who will take care of your kids if you come to Hong Kong?
My mother-in-law.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am, I will.
If baby is crying, what will you do?
If the newborn baby is crying, I will check if she or he is hungry. I will check the diaper is dirty. If dirty, I will change.
Are you willing to share a room with kids or newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am, I will.
Could you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling a lie, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha.
Are you okay if your leave is compensated by the employer in salary instead of leave?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay if your leave is not on Sunday or Saturday?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of a cat or dog?
No, ma'am.
Do you have your own cat or dog?
No, ma'am.
Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
No, ma'am, but I am willing to be trained.
Okay, what is your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, sir, madam, please hire me as your own maid. I assure you that your family and home will be safe. I am honest and trustworthy. I promise to finish my contract. Thank you.